Morning guys, welcome to another episode of Trek Explore. Another stunning morning in another magical place at the southwest of WA. We're in Yallingup having a look at the lagoon. It's super low tide at the moment. It won't be much good for the snorkeling here at this stage. Unfortunately I forgot my stick to put the phone in. It makes it a bit harder to do the talking bit, but anyway. Yeah, gonna get the drone up in a minute, give it a look from the sky, see what it looks like from there, and stick around, enjoy the video. I'm sure we're gonna have a good time again. Catch you shortly. Yeah, another really nice beach. Great rock formations here. Look at that. Getting ready to have a bit of a snorkel.
Peek already.
Okay. Playing your fish?
Yep.
Okay. Be there in a sec. Absolutely clear water. Another absolutely stunning area. Yallingup Lagoon, absolute stunning spot. Well, welcome back. We've driven down to Augusta and to have a look at Jetty and the pool at one day. It's another awesome spot. I'll just, like usual, turn the camera around and show us where we are. Look at that, hey? It's a bit smoky from the Gnarabup fires at the moment. But yeah, it's another great spot. Yeah, Yallingup was getting absolutely busy. The car park was already fairly full when we got there. This is another popular spot here in Augusta. Clear water again, isn't it?
No diving!
Last one to take photos.
No diving allowed! No.
Hey guys, welcome back again. We left Augusta. It was a fair bit smoky up there and it's starting to get very busy. Didn't even get the drone up there. Just privacy for people and all that sort of stuff. So now we're in Gnarabup pool and Mark drove it to go have a quick look. See what it looks like there. Still very smoky and absolutely packed the car park here. So we'll see what's happening out there. Don't know yet if we're going to stay for very long or not. Just depends how busy it's going to be. See you back shortly. Well, Gnarabup Beach. Obviously another very popular spot by the look of it.
Pretty spot. Not the prettiest spot, I think. The ones like the best.
Yep, time to head home. Didn't do too much filming over there, so privacy reasons. So it's absolutely busy. If you did like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. See ya.